Welcome to Lantan Tourism Village, a village that treasures natural beauty, warm hospitality, and cultural heritage that continues to live from generation to generation. Our journey begins with a warm welcome from community-based tourism of Lantan, the village tourism awareness group that passionately protects, preserves, and promotes the village's potential to visitors. We are also treated to traditional dishes from Lantan, a taste of local flavors that reflects the richness of this community. Their sincere smiles mark the beginning of an unforgettable experience in this village. Soon, the atmosphere becomes lively with traditional music and dance performances. The beats of drums and the sounds of local instruments fill the air, accompanying graceful and meaningful dance movements. These performances are not merely entertainment, but a way for the people of Lantan to preserve their cultural identity and pass it on to future generations. Next, we are invited to connect with nature through soft trekking along narrow paths that pass through vast rice fields and follow the edge of the river. The clear flowing water, the calming sound of the stream, and the lush trees around us create a refreshing journey for the soul. Along the way, we are treated to the sight of green rice paddies, birds flying freely, and the soothing freshness of rural air. At the riverbank, visitors may pause to feel the cool water or simply enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of nature that remains beautifully preserved. This light trek is more than just a physical walk, it is a journey of the heart, bringing us closer to the beauty and serenity of Lantan. Back in the village, visitors have the opportunity to experience local wisdom through bamboo handicrafts. In the skilled hands of the villagers, simple bamboo is transformed into useful and beautiful creations. The weaving and crafting process is not just a skill, but also a reflection of patience and creativity. Visitors are invited to engage in daily interactions with the local community. Friendly conversations, warm smiles, and stories of everyday life create moments that leave a deep impression. Equally fascinating is the experience of making palm sugar. From tapping the fresh sap of the aran tree to patiently cooking it over a traditional fire, visitors witness how natural ingredients are transformed into sweet, healthy palm sugar. This activity creates a sense of togetherness, as everyone can take part and feel the effort behind producing something truly valuable. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, cycling through the village is a delightful option. The route passes green rice fields, shaded paths, and landscapes filled with fresh, clean air, something rare in big cities. Cycling here brings not only peace, but also a closer look at the simple and harmonious life of the villagers. Another memorable experience is joining in farming activities. From planting rice, caring for the fields, to harvesting together with the farmers, visitors gain a true appreciation for the hard work and devotion behind every grain of rice that sustains daily life. To add more joy, Visitors are invited to play with the village children in traditional games such as sungklit and bledek. These simple yet meaningful games teach togetherness, sportsmanship, and pure happiness, values often forgotten in the modern era.
Kami berdua datang ke Desa Lantan, kemudian mengambil paket 2 hari. Hari pertama kami disambut hangat oleh anggota Pok Darwis, kemudian kami mencoba aneka ragam makanan khas daerah sini.
Yesterday when we arrived, we were welcomed by the local people and tried traditional food, which was really, really nice. And then we went some soft trekking, which was good. And we went to visit the rice fields and saw how they grew the rice. I don't know how to explain, like shaking the rice, which was very good. And then after that, we came and we played traditional games with the students, which was very, very nice. So I've had a very good experience. I think anybody should come if they like to learn about different cultures, because here in Lantan, it is so different to Western countries, and it is very good to be able to see how the world is so different in different places. And when you come here, I don't think you need many things. You just need make sure you got some water and a towel, maybe if you decide you want to swim in the waterfall. But other than that, just have a good time.
Nah, buat teman-teman, wajib banget datang ke Desa Lantan karena mereka akan memberikan experience yang berbeda. Dimana ketika kita liburan di sini, itu banyak banget kegiatan yang jarang-jarang kita lihat di daerah-daerah lain. Seperti soft trekking, kemudian buat gula, kemudian berinteraksi dengan warga-warga lokal. Dan pokoknya saya merekomendasikan banget untuk teman-teman datang ke Desa Lantan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Erwandi, Kepala Desa Lantan. Desa Lantan merupakan salah satu desa wisata yang ada di Kabupaten Lombok Tengah. Saat ini kami Desa Lantan memiliki beragam potensi wisata, mulai dari air terjun, camping ground, trekking rinjani, dan beberapa paket wisata yang ada di desa kami, Desa Lantan. Sebagai harapan kami dari pemerintah desa, tentu wisata ini bukan hanya menjadi kerja-kerja dari Pokdarwis dan pemerintah desa, tapi menjadi kerja dan PR kita bersama. Kami berharap semua pihak untuk ikut kita bersinergi di dalam kita memberikan dukungan kemajuan terhadap wisata yang ada di desa kami, Desa Lantan khususnya, dan tentunya desa wisata untuk Lombok Tengah pada umumnya. Demikian, bila taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All of these experiences come together to create a complete journey in Lantan Tourism Village. From culture, nature, and traditions to warm social life, everything blends in perfect harmony.